First thing he's doing, he's going to the 15th fret, bending on the B string, and then playing 12th fret on the E string at the same time. Those are called unison bends. So then he goes to the 17th fret, whole step bend on the high E, bend that twice, and then slow bend on the 14th fret of the G string. So it sounds like this. Then what he's doing a trill on the 12th and 15th fret of the B string. What that is a hammer-on pull-off played fast. And then you're going to take your pick or your finger and go from the 17th fret and slide. Then what he does, he just slides his hand down towards the 1st fret. Then he goes to the 14th fret. He's going to go from the A string all the way to the high E. 2 picks each. And he's palm muting, using the palm of his hand, like holding it against the strings. So it's 14th fret on the A string, then 12, 14 on the D and G, 12 on the B, and then 14 on the G, then go to the 12, 15 on the B and E. Play it slowly. One more time slowly for you. And if you're enjoying this content and you'd like to see other videos, let me know in the YouTube comments what other videos you'd like to see broken down. Then it goes up to the 17th fret of the high E with an artificial harmonic and just graze the string with your thumb. And then go to the 15th fret on the B string and bend that a whole step. Up to that point. Then he plays the 12th fret on the high E, and then 15, 12 on the B. Whole step bend on the 14th, release it, pull off to the 12, and then the 14th fret of the D. All together that looks like this. Then what he does the 14th fret of the G and B. These are called double stops. Play it and just bend it a little bit towards the floor. And then go to the 12th fret of the G and B. And then to the 14th fret of the D. Sounds like this. And you play that 3 times. Then what he does with an artificial harmonic, he plays the open G string. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the cool fast lick is you slide to the 4th fret of the G, hammer on pull off from the 3 to 5 on the B, and you slide from the 4 to the 7, pull off from the 5 to the 8 of the B. So those 2 together. And you slide from the 7th to the 9th of the G, hammer on pull off the 8 to the 10 on the B, and then slide all the way up to the 14th fret of the G, 12, 15 hammer on pull off. Do this phrase twice. Then you slide to the 15th fret of the B, hammer on pull off of the 12 to 15 on the high E. So those 2 together. Then go to the 17th fret, hammer on pull off of the 15th to 17th on the high E. Then you go all the way to the 22nd fret, and then 19, 22 hammer on pull off of the high E. So all those together slow. I'll do it one more time for you slow. Whole step bend on the 22nd on the B, 22nd on the E, bend again on the B, one more time. Then there's 1922 on the A, and then 19, 20, 21 on the D and G, and then 20, 22 on the B, and then bend up again, pick that 22nd again on the high E, and then this time play the 22nd on the high E. So all together from the A string. Then he plays the 15th and the 17th fret on the D, 15th on the D, then 19th on the G string. Then go up to the 19th fret of the D and play the 22nd on the B string. So those together sound like this. Then it goes to the 19th, 20th, and 22nd fret on the B and E string. And then 4 whole step bends on the 22nd fret. Then he plays 19, 22, 20, 19, and then 22nd on the B. Then 20, 19 on the E, and 22nd and 20th on the B. So those two together. Then he does a hammer on pull off from the 19th to the 20th fret on the high E. Then 22, 20, 19th on the B string. So those all together sound like this. One more time. Go to the G string, 16, 15, 16, 14. And then 17, 14 on the D. And do that 3 times. Slide up to the 7th fret on the A string. Then 5, 7, 8 on the D. 7 hammer on pull off to the 8, to the 5, 7 on the A, to the 5 on the D. So slowly. One more time slow for you. Then you go to the 2nd fret on the G with the artificial harmonic, to the 3rd fret, 4th fret. Then it goes to the 7th fret, the G and B, and does those double stops. And then bend it. Also, leave another video up here you can watch next.